Is the light on your AirPods Pro not turning on or just stopped working? Don't worry, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you some simple ways to solve it, whether it's a charging issue, dust buildup, or something else. Let's get started and bring that light back. Now first things first, keep in mind that the light doesn't stay on constantly. It only lights up when you open the lid. Keep in mind that the light doesn't stay on constantly. It only lights up when you plug in the case to charge or place it on a wireless charger. So before you panic, try these things to test it. Plug it in using a lightning cable or place it on a MagSafe pad. Then check if the status light blinks. If still see no light, let's move on. Solution 1. Test the charging and battery. In most cases, it could be a charging issue, not a light issue. So plug your case into a charger for at least 15 minutes. Make sure the cable and adapter are working with other devices. Try a different cable and outlet just in case. If possible, try a completely different charger to see if the issue is with your charging system. Also try wireless charging to see if the light appears during that. Now even if the light doesn't show, your case might still be working. Open the case near your iPhone. You should see a battery pop up, or check the batteries widget on your iPhone. If the battery shows up there, your AirPods are working and the issue might just be the LED light itself. Solution 2. Reset the AirPods. Clears out pairing or sync glitches. Put both AirPods back into the case. Then open the lid. Now tap just below the front light of the case in this sequence. Tap 2 times, 2 times, again 2 times, and again 2 times. At this point, you should see the light blink red, then white. That means your AirPods have been reset. If the light doesn't change the first time, close the lid, open it again, and repeat the tap pattern. It usually works on the second try. After this, reconnect your AirPods to your iPhone and try setting up personalized spatial audio again. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. On my devices, see if the AirPod is showing or not. If it's showing, then tap the eye icon next to it. And forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. At this point, the problem should be fixed for you. But if you've tried all these steps and the light is still completely dead, the issue might be hardware related. In that case, reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store. They'll be able to run a diagnostic or offer a replacement if needed. That's all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.